Situated on the corner of a lightly traveled road and Main Street here in Osterville, this residence gleams like the jewel that it is. With some of its bones dating back to 1839, juxtaposed with modern additions with soaring ceilings, lots of south-facing glass, this residence is a gem just steps outside the village center. Gleaming floors, a beautifully updated kitchen, a master suite with dual master bathrooms, beautiful enclosed courtyards that capture all the sunlight year-round. You'll find yourself dining al fresco in the summertime. You'd be surprised at how many times you'll be eating outside, even in the dead of winter. The house will protect you from the wind. The sun just pours in. It's a perfect spot. Give us a call, drop us an email, set a time to come and visit 12 Fire Station Road here in Osterville on Cape Cod.